On a windy hill, Ember the dragon had a strange problem. He'd forgotten how to fly. He ran, he flapped, he leapt, then plop. Just a hop and a wobble. He tried from a rock, then a tree stump, then the tip of his tail. Still nothing. Ember's cheeks warmed. "I used to soar," he whispered. "Why can't I remember?" His wings weren't broken. His courage was. He sat down and sighed. So he closed his eyes, breathed in, and listened to the wind. Trust it. A leaf drifted past, floating without trying at all. Ember smiled and copied it. With one brave flap, Ember rose into the sky, laughing, finally flying again.
That short story you just watched is a great example of the kind of content people enjoy watching across almost every platform today, whether it's YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Short visual stories like this grab attention easily and keep viewers engaged, regardless of age or platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create similar short-form videos using an AI-powered video creation platform called Focal ML. Focal ML helps streamline the video creation process by combining visual generation, scene editing, and refinements into a single workflow, making it easier to turn simple story ideas into polished videos. I'll start with a quick look at the platform so you understand how it works, and then I'll walk you through the exact steps I followed to create the video you just saw. So let's begin. You'll find the link to Focal ML in the video description. Once you open the website, you'll land on the home screen. Right in the center, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe the kind of video you want to create. Just below that, there's an option called All Projects, where all your previously created projects appear so you can revisit them anytime. Now, to create a new video, I'll simply click on Create New Project. Once I do that, I'll reach to a fresh creation section where you'll again see a prompt box. At this stage, Focal gives you 3 different ways to create a video. You can start with an idea or script, or you can even use a structured JSON prompt. Since I already have a simple concept in mind, I'll go ahead and start with an idea. So in the prompt box, I'll type in my concept. Make a video about a dragon who forgets how to fly. Next, I'll select the video duration. Since we're creating content for short-form platforms, I'll set the duration to 45 seconds. After that, I'll choose the video language. In my case, I'm going with English. And if you already have any images, videos, or documents you want to include as references, you can also upload them here by clicking on the plus icon. This step is completely optional. Once everything is set, click on the arrow button. Focal ML starts working on the idea and prepares a complete creative setup for the video. This step is important to make sure if I and Focal are aligned on what kind of video we're creating. As you can see, the first thing it shows is the project settings section. When I expand this, I can review the aspect ratio set to 16:9. The language set to English, the duration is set to 45 seconds, and the audio style is set to narration. Focal actually gives you multiple choices like narration, dialogue, music video, or instrumental. But since this video is story-driven and I want a clean, guided flow, narration works well. Moving further, there's an option for captions. You can choose how subtitles appear. Next comes one of the most useful parts, the image and video models. Here, I will set the image model to Nano Banana Pro for better quality visuals, and for the video model, I choose Google Veo 3.1. Since these models are integrated into Focal, we can easily use them. Below that, there's a style prompt section. This is where you control the artistic mood of the video. Focal already provided a well-balanced style, so I'll keep it unchanged for now. As we move down, you'll see the created plot section. When I open it, the story structure is already written out, scene by scene. If you want, you can edit or tweak this plot manually. After that comes Create Character. You can either upload your own character image, regenerate one, or edit the description. You can also choose the voice for the character. In this case, the selected voice works well, so I'll keep it. Finally, Focal asks for confirmation. Once I confirm the generation, Focal takes me to the edit page. This page will feel familiar if you've ever used a video editor, but this is Focal's AI-powered editor. Now, before we move ahead, one important thing to note. After you start the generation, it takes a little time. During this phase, Focal creates all the required assets for your video, including narration, images, and video clips. So let's wait for a moment. All right, as you can see, everything is now created. On the left side, you'll find the All Media section. This is where your generated assets appear. Next is the Edit section, where you can fine-tune each scene. You can edit images, animate them, regenerate visuals, or even change the video model if you want a different look. Then there's the chat option. This is one of my favorite parts. If you don't want to make changes manually, you can simply type a command and Focal updates the video for you. After that, you'll see the characters panel. Here you can manage all characters in your story, add new ones, edit existing ones, or remove them if needed. Then comes the scratch pad, which shows your idea and the plot. You also get transitions followed by text and captions, where you can customize on-screen text and subtitles based on your preference. Now, instead of explaining every small edit, I'll simply adjust these to match my style and show you the result.
Ember, the young dragon, sprinted to the cliff edge, took a brave breath, and leapt. He expected lift. He got thump.
Did I forget how to fly?
If you want to understand the workflow in more detail, you can visit the platform and explore it at your own pace. Any relevant links are provided in the description. Thank you for watching.